2, 3, 4, 5 at huh? அவங்க எது இது 417 ஓகேவா இது 417 ஓகே U1 U2 U2ல வந்து எது போல இதுலயும் போல சிக்ஸ்டீன் எந்த அக்கௌண்ட் வந்துச்சா வந்துருச்சு வந்துருச்சுல்ல வந்துருச்சு எல்லாமே வந்துருச்சு அப்டேட் பண்ணு Sorry guys, there was some electricity issues. Sorry. வந்துருச்சா current எல்லாம் வந்து? Sorry guys, extremely sorry. Yeah. Yes. Mokshan, hi Mokshan boy. Huh? Yeah, Siddharth, I think electricity issue was there, so we had to switch on everything back. Sorry for the inconvenience. This happens. Dealer லாக் அவுட் ஆகும். உங்க லாகின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? இல்ல பாருங்க. என்ன புரியல. ஆர்டர் போட்டீங்களா? அப்டேட் பண்ணுங்க டக்குன்னு. Sorry guys, there was some electrical issues, so we couldn't, so we had to interrupt. Sorry for the inconvenience. Volume is Tarnaka. Volume is very low. Please increase volume. Thank you. Volume is right, Tarnaka. Now it is okay. Huh? No. Huh? Yeah, sorry. Your voice is volume is very low. I think it is okay now, no? Hello, hello. Yeah, it should be okay now. Now, Bank Nifty is again trying to retrace 16,000 and Nifty and Bank Nifty is gone. So as per our prediction, it is just reversing around 34,500 levels. So let's see what is going to happen now. Whoever shorted, I think one guy I think somebody was asking to buy PE, I told to buy PE after market goes below 34,670. I'm not sure whether he has done it or not. If he is done, I think he should be in good profit now. Can you say about Wipro levels, Bro? Vicky is asking about Wipro. Let us see. Wipro. And this is a strategy which we had taken. As of now, it is in loss only. That's because of this thing, I think. India VIX. Hmm. Wipro, 1 second. We'll see Wipro. I think Wipro is a shorting opportunity, no? So this is the thing. I think it is at crucial juncture. It is at a crucial support of 385. You can short Wipro when it is around 450 levels. I don't think you can short it now. Just wait for some time. Update பண்ணியாச்சா? Anyone has taken any trade? MD Akbar Khan, good morning. Vijay Reddy, good morning. Akbar Khan, intraday I will buy or sell. Ramesh Kumar, today is a review on windfall tax. That's why Reliance IV is so high. Siddharth Singh, I want to do. Hmm. But the good thing is India VIX is falling. Update பண்ணியாச்சா? எல்லாமே update பண்ணியாச்சா? So India VIX is falling, which means it will work in our favor, I think. Hmm. Let's wait and see. India VIX falling is a good thing to happen, right? No profit level. T is the dominant TT. Ben's future, very eager to learn how you will manage the virtual trade pro. Good morning. Yes, yes, hold on, Venki. We'll see how things pan out. Now, for now, what I'm thinking is I don't think this 16,000 level is going to be 16,000 is very hard, I think. What I can see is people are writing, I'll show you, people are writing 16,000 aggressively. See here, 16,000 is it put or yeah, put rating is happening, but overall call open interest is higher than put open interest. So things are going to be very interesting today. Hold on, we'll see how things work out, how things pan out. As of now, the strategy is looking something like this, and 16,000 above 16,000 it is going. Even if it is moving above 16,000, there should be a strong resistance at around 16,200 levels, right? 16,200. Yeah, 16,200. If you see 16,150 levels, 16,150 level. This is where we got rejected. I've marked it in a, let me change this into a green one. So that is the level we have to watch. Let's hope for the best. Very eager to learn how Nagesh market can go up if it breaks 16,040 levels. Yes, let us see. One person was taking a bank nifty trade. I'm not sure whether he is around. I told him to take if the market goes below 34,700 levels. I don't know whether he has taken the trade or not. So before Siddharth Kumar, something unrelated. H HB been selling high probability 19 strangle. Credit spread profit is 20 out of the last 24 months, got 2% per month. Is there anything inherently wrong in such trade? Maximum 2 lots per trade. What is that HB? Let me get back to you, Siddharth. Let me get back to you. The 16,000, I don't. The 16,000 is not getting clear, right? Anyway, I don't think 16,000 is having resistance. Now, for last 5 minutes bar, I'm seeing market reversing at 16,000. And I can show you how our this thing is going to perform. I'll just show you. Just give me some time. Siddharth Singh. He is saying has been selling. Siddharth Kumar HB is okay. Okay. HV is see lots of things people talk these things. No, what is that? If it is London Stock Exchange, they say FTSE, or if it is some other exchange, they tell short terms. That's why I got confused. Let me get back to your question first. Have been selling probability of profit 90% above triangles, credit spread profitable is 20 out of last 24 months, got 2% per month. Is there anything inherently wrong in such trades? Maximum 2 lots per trade. This is absolutely fine, Siddharth. This is up to you. This is up to your risk appetite. You are just aiming 2% for a month, whereas people like me are aiming at least 7 or 8%, and we end up in minus negative 2% or so, something like that. I'm not saying every month. This last May month, we planned something big. We had a big trade, but it didn't work out properly, so on and so forth. So it's absolutely fine. 2% is more than enough. Even if you make 2% per month, you will end up making 24% per annum. No, that's a good return, and very few people make 24%. Of course, there are people. I'm not saying everything. Yes. Yeah, one important thing what Siddharth is saying, positional sizing is helping very much. Yes, that is where most of the people have to concentrate on. So the RO loss in a profit ಬಂದಿರೋ account. ಇದೇ ತಪ್ಪು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಕಡೆ. Siddharth Singh is saying 24%. Yeah, beating Warren Buffett return. It's a lot if we can scale this to big money. Yes, true. But the problem is when If it is a small account, you can manage it very easily. What will happen is when you go for a big account, you will kind of having lots of stress, and you are as and when the this thing, what is that, your capital goes on the higher side, your return come down. If your capital is low, your return is high. If your capital is very high, your return will be very low. That's what many, if you see the social media and all, YouTube and all, many big traders, famous traders who is having more than 50 crores, 60 crores, 70 crore, they don't make good money, but good money in the sense, in percentage wise, I'm saying. So that's the deal here. ನಿಮ್ಮ position monitor பண்ணுங்க. Very good. Best of luck, Siddharth. But still, if you are making, but you told like you, how many lots? One lot. How many lots you told Siddharth? You are trading with how many lots? Two lots. Two lots per trade. Okay. Strangle two lots you are trading, but you are having good capital. No, you could have gone for huge lot size. I'm not sure why you are not doing that. Anyway, let's see. So yesterday I draw this line. I just saved this one N2. If you are following yesterday, there is a perfect rejection at around 16,000 level, and Bank Nifty is kind of rejecting these levels. See, I told here sell 35,000 calls, and we drew this line yesterday also. This line was this line was drawn yesterday. So this is 34,500, 600 level is acting as a support, and perfect rejection at above trend line. And Nifty also, there is a rejection on the upper trend line. Now what has to happen is we need some global support. Are we getting some global support? Still, US future is high. Europe is flat. Mm. I don't know why this Bank Nifty is not performing. Bank Nifty is dragging the whole system. That is a problem here. Out of all the stocks in Bank Nifty, only Kotak Mahindra, Federal Bank, IndusInd Bank is performing. And that too, Federal Bank and IndusInd Bank is flat. Kotak Mahindra Bank is up by 0.65%. And if you see the top loser, I'm sure most of the banking sector is losing. Every bank is, or more than 70% of banking stock is flat. Is that the reason? Maybe. Is there any stock specific or any news in Bank Nifty why it's not performing? NSE option chain not working since yesterday. Vijayendra Gunman. It's working, bro. We don't have any issues. Actually, we don't see NSE option chain. I see a sensible option chain. Jayaraj Ramachandran. Hi Umar, if we increase position size gradually, we can avoid the stress. Yeah, maybe you can avoid for some time, but what will happen is one day it will like punish you. So that's what I'm thinking. So that's what happened to me. So last month May we were in full around we used 100% of our margin, our capital, and we ended up we kind of screwed up. Danny Xavier, I have 16,150 Einfly this week in profit taken few days ago. Shall I book and move to 16,000? If you are in profit, just hold it. No, why you have to? Doesn't make any difference. Only 50 points away. What it's going to happen? Ishman, Ishman is saying HDFC results waiting. Really? HDFC is not an issue. No, HDFC Bank. Anyway, HDFC there is some FIA holding is there. We'll see. We'll see. Gopi Kishan is saying USD has come down. I think Indian rupee is going up. Good. Bhaskar J is saying bond selling from FIIs since high interest rate from Fed. So PSU banks will return less ROE. So only feeling. Yes, true, 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 sir. Only covered call strategy. Vijendra is saying only covered call strategy working in this market. Buy shares 20% of lot size of good blue chip stock and sell 20% for OTM call options and sit back and relax. But a covered call is very expensive, no? Covered call at least like you will need a lot and lot of money, right? I personally believe covered call is very expensive. Acha. I think there is a I think that there is a very bad news, guys. I think China GDP contracts by negative 2.2%. Let me get okay. Let me show you the news. Hmm. One of our group member is saying Chinese economy contracted by 2%, and that is why market is feeling the heat. It is falling down. Hang Seng, so if you see the this thing, US futures, yeah, China is down. I think Hang Seng is down by marginally down by 0.35%. Mm. Mm-hmm. Anyway, there is a super rejection at 16,000, and I don't think the HDFC result. HDFC, HDFC Bank, the group. Hey, somebody told there is HDFC result. No, not today. It is on. Huh? Reliance intraday buy or sell. Uh, Bro, I think huh? Tomorrow is only HDFC result. No. Hisham is asking Umar, can you just ask how many who are watching live video right now are full-time traders? Just curious. Yeah, I'll just conduct a poll, Hisham. Not a issue. Reliance intraday buy or sell. Let me check, Akbar. Just give me 1 minute. Let me check if you can buy this thing. Mm. Reliance is a sell, I think. No, big red candle. I'm seeing big red candle in Reliance. This thing is just wait for today's loads to be broken, which is around 2,390. But if it is closing goes below 2,300, 400 levels, then you can short Reliance, I think. Of course, that's a disclaimer. You just have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? How much percentage you lost in the month of May, bro? I lost, I think, including if we calculate even my what is that the profit we made, I think we lost around 5% in May. June we didn't trade much. July also we are just going in with 20 or 25% capital. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm planning to trade off Vinayak. I'm planning to enter 16,000 December short straddle. What do you say? Yeah, you can do that. You just do a long-term option and sit on that. You will make good money. Mithun Kumar is saying Nasdaq shows negative during India time and positive when actual trading starts. Yeah, that's what I told in our video also. Whenever whenever our market is open, it will show positive, and when we are closing, it will show negative. This is very bad when it comes to US market. Not only Nasdaq, even Dow Jones, S&P, everything will show like that only. Rajesh, HDFC result by tomorrow. Yes, yes, tomorrow. Siddharth is saying employed and trying to trade. Does that count? China is down, good for India. Crude, Siddharth Kumar, China is down, good for India. Crude demand goes down, bringing down its prices. Every $10 reduction improves India's GDP by 4. Yes. HDFC Bank, yeah. HDFC Bank is on 16th tomorrow. Yes, that's what I told. CMA Balakrishnan, good morning. How are you, Umar? Sorry, I was not available yesterday. What about your position yesterday? You are expecting 41K profit yesterday. Yeah, we booked a profit of around 50K, excluding brokerage. So yesterday was a good trade, good day. UV is saying I made 2.8% last week, bro. Best of luck, UV. Bhaskar is saying, where are you in Chennai? Office or home? In Tiruchi. I'm in Tiruchi. This is our office. Mokshan is asking, sir, do you sell out of Nifty puts, out of the money puts, call like, oh, yeah, you can sell 400. I think market is at 16,000. You want to go away 1,500, 2,000 points in next month. Yeah, you can do that. You will make decent money. I don't think markets are going to touch, right? But always do one thing. If you are going, if you are going for far out of the money, always hedge your position. So we have done a poll, and it shows that most of us are 60% of us are full-time traders. Wow, that is really good. Whoever watches this video, they are full-time traders. Current K, hi Umar, the current trade you have taken with what was the margin required? Let me show you current. What you're talking about my trades, or you're talking about this YouTube trade I have just taken? You have to specify. 16,000 is having the highest open interest. I think Mark, people are buying put option, 16,000 put option, which is in the money. Hmm. And markets are likely going down only. And Bank Nifty is just holding to that 34,600 support. Bank Nifty, we are seeing aggressive calls being written. And this open interest is not reliable nowadays. Anything can happen. I'm just waiting for this 34,500 to be taken out. Prabhakar Reddy. Hi Umar. If possible, can you share some option selling strategies in Bank Nifty? Yeah, Bank Nifty also you can do a short straddle, bro. The 20x lot. What is the 20x lot current? You are talking about my position. My position, I think I have more than now around 50 lots. I've sold around 50 lots now. Today's trade, just 5 minutes, just half an hour back I did. நம்ம profit தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோம். அதுதான் பார்க்கணும் கவனிக்கு கரெக்டா கரண்ட் மயிர் வேற உயிரை வாங்கி தொலையுது. What trade of Vinayak? What happened? Seems like yeah, that happens. Raghuram, why 9.1 inflation data didn't get any much turbulence in the market? That's what I also don't know, Raghuram. I was just anticipating that the market will go down, looking at so much high inflation. We'll see. Last 2 days, my thing is like day before yesterday, when inflation data was out, I thought market will come down. It didn't happen. Then yesterday, looking at the US futures, I thought, okay, market is going to touch my US market will come down and we will gap down. That also now never happened. And today, what is happening? It is mixed figure, and this will reflect or what see this today afternoon or yeah today afternoon or tomorrow morning we will know what is going to happen. Tonight we will know what is going to happen in the US market. Even now it is showing Dow is down. I think Dow is flat. Europe is also flat. But tonight we can see what is going to happen. So this 16,000 Nifty 16,000 is not going to be taken out. If you want to sell call option, you can go and sell 16,000 above call option 16,100, 16,200, 16,300. As you can clearly see, this trend is being rejected. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, this 34,600, which we thought will act as a resistance support, is also gone. Now, what is going to happen next? In case if if Nifty is going on the if Bank Nifty is dragging on the downside, I am expecting Bank Nifty to go somewhere around 34,400. Actually, Raghuram, I like that guy very much, Raghuram Rajan. Such a best guy. But our government doesn't like these people. No, our government don't like what to say intelligent people. Vijendra is saying worst is behind us. That's why market's moving forward. Bro, I think you are not seeing the chart. Market is going on the downside, right? Everyone is saying that surprise on inflation is also already priced in. Maybe true, yeah. Actually, you know what people trade off Vinayak is saying. Actually, you know what people say, we don't have emotions, blah blah blah. I can relate to the raw version of a trader, which is really good, especially when trading is portrayed as lavish. I never told I don't have any emotions. You is saying so, expecting the downside trend line to break on Monday. Yeah, that's what I also think. Let us see. Now it is. Now you can see a small green candle. Now what it will do? It will just try to break around 34,500. And Bank Nifty, I think at least today 15,949 levels will be seeing today's low. If you ask me today's price action, I can say maybe 15,950 levels for Nifty, and Bank Nifty is gone. Yesterday's support is gone. Let's wait. Somebody was asking me if they can short the market. I told to short the market if the Bank Nifty goes below 34,700. If had he shorted the market, he would have made money. I don't know if he's here or he's left. So expecting downside trend line to break on Monday. We'll see. We'll see. Uh, Reliance Akbar. That's what I told Akbar. You can, if you want, you can sell. It's not a big deal now. If you want, you can sell. And I'll also tell you something. Last week, our mentors made around you know, 2.1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Huh? 1%. Yeah. So last week also our members made around 2%, not 2%, I think less than 2%, around 1.75%, I think. And where is that? Where is Mr. Keyboard Warrior? He told low weeks you should not be trading, and we just initiated a trade today morning. As of now, we are in good profit. We are in a profit of more than uh, huh? 7 rupiah, 9 rupiah. So today morning only we just initiated one trade and we are in a profit of around 9,000 now as of now. So short straddle, even our members our this guys, they are also in good profit. Not good profit, okay, decent profit. I wouldn't say good profit, decent profit. Ramesh Kumar, how many of us are stock option traders and can they throw some insight of stock option trading versus index option trading? I do 90% positional stock option selling and this is getting difficult. Yeah, Mr. Ramesh is very if you want to sell option, you have to be super rich, right? Stock option, I'm saying stock option. You have to have lots and lots of money. So that's not a deal. Like if you ask me, I wouldn't say it's not a deal. For me, if you ask me if I'm selling, if I will sell call stock option, I wouldn't do that because there are lots of manipulation and insider trading is there. So it is better to stick with the indices. And indices itself is more than enough. You can make decent money in indices, right? With heavyweights like Reliance, Titan, TCS moving more than 8% within a day. Stock option selling doesn't look much prospective. Yes, yes. Today buy on dip, bro. Sell on rise, not buy on dip. Opposite of what you are saying, Rohit. Decent profit is very good profit in this huge volatile market. Umar. Yes, yes. Nowadays, no. Nowadays, what I'm thinking, will forget the profit. I'm just trying. If capital is safe, that is more than enough. I think. Like a few years back, before 2020 and all, 2017, 18, 16, 15, market was super excellent. I have seen India VIX going below 10 and all. I have seen 8, 9.5, 10. I do a short straddle, I do a short strangle. 99% of the time, it will make money. But now things are completely different, right? Rohit Alex, bro, Tamila, Tamil. admin வேணும். நம்ம admin ஆப் admin இருக்குல்ல, அதை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி bro shorted Tarakant Reddy is saying bro shorted Reliance at 2392 with a stop loss of 400. Make it at least 2450, no? Market is going down only. Ramesh Kumar, what I feel is as a full-time trader, index option selling can be good since they have all the time to dedicate for screen time. But for salaried selling, OTM option is in stocks were much more attractive. Yeah, true, true, very much true. UV investors, I am struggling பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். It sector is IT sector is in a bloodbath. FIIs are 80. Vijendra is saying FIIs are 83% short in index futures. So how can market go up? Market going up and coming down is this thing now nowadays big deal. Nothing is unreliable. One day it is going up, one day it is coming down. Very pathetic. அப்பதான் அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரியும் நம்மளுக்கு. இல்ல ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் போஸ்ட் பண்ண மெசேஜ் கேட்டா ரிப்ளை எல்லாம் பண்றது தான் பண்ண முடியும். Wow. Bank Nifty is going towards next support level of 34,300. I don't know many of who took. Actually, one person was asking me. I suggested him to take once the Bank Nifty is below this level, this today's support. Let me check where is that guy. Where is that guy? I cannot find him. Where is that? Is it Venkat Vicky? Not Venkat Vicky. I think he is from previous video. So that video was down because of this thing, no? And the Nifty is also inching towards downside. Very bad, guys. I think today it will test 15,895. But US futures are really flat, I think, right? Yeah, US future has come down little bit lower. Now it was in the green, now it is showing red. Reliance is shorting, somebody has shorted Reliance, and if you have shorted Reliance, just keep your stop loss at 2415. I think he told 241 2400. Instead, go for 2415. So that is the first candle of today's high. That's where the market gapped up today. Market is falling so much and India VIX is not going up. India VIX is not shooting. Accept பண்ணுங்க வோடஃபோன் காரன் வோடஃபோன் anyone who has shorted Bank Nifty today will be in good profit. Yesterday I was watching one famous YouTuber video. Like he is telling markets are super volatile. Actually, Nifty moved only 200 points yesterday. Even that he cannot manage. And he is saying himself as a god and all. What is this? I don't know. QE is selling if market touches 15,900, selling 15,800 put option 2 lot will be a good idea. If market touches 15,900, you want to sell 15,800 put option. Yeah, you can do that. This support is gone now. In if at all market retraces, maximum it will go to 34,600. Then it will come back. And I don't think now this 16,000 is gone. Open interest wise also in both Bank Nifty and Nifty 16,000 is being returned. 16,000 is having the highest open interest among this thing. And I think UV was asking about 15,800. That's actually a contra view, right? So what I can understand is, so many people like you believe that 15,800 is a good support. So we have been seeing whenever market touches 15,800, we are seeing rejection. So I am assuming looking at that levels, he is trying to short the market, short the puts. So he's having a contra view. Yeah, you can take a contra view. Nothing wrong in that, right? But without the support of Bank Nifty, nothing is going to happen. We need the support of Bank Nifty. Vijendra Gunman, he is Mr. PR. When he will always say violent moves and super volatile on expiry days and make special video to SEBI on to stabilize market. Actually, you saw that this he told in one video to ban all these what is that futures, stock futures. He told to ban stock futures, I think. And you have to go and see the comment section. Oh my God, so much of this thing. Like people are abusing him. I don't know how he is managing. But okay, he is a sarcastic and somehow he is managing. No, that is the point here. If he is end of the day, he is making money. Hello. Ah, சொல்லு. சரி. Ah. Now markets are going to be sideways, mostly sideways. In spite of market moving so much down, India VIX is dropping to drop is down by 2 point more than 2%. Looking at this VIX and all, I think UB is correct to some extent. Maybe market may not go below 15,800. Yeah, that might be a good trade. Yeah, that's what I think. You can take UB, but that's a disclaimer, right? You see how you can manage. Don't sell naked call option. Time and again, I'm saying. How to open option. So anyone has shorted Bank Nifty in this group? Please let me know. If you have shorted, I'm sure you would have made good money, right? By now. UV is saying yes, everyone expecting markets to fall. The week before the FOMC meeting, operator usually goes against the common view. Yes. Yesterday it was yesterday I think FIS were buyers, right? Buyers or sellers? I think the day before yesterday they were sellers. Yesterday they were buyers. I sold four lots of futures at 34,600 level. Ben's future. I think Ben is into selling put futures. I think, right. So your uncle only will say if you sell if you trade in futures you don't have future, right, Ben? I think uh, this Ben's this future what is that future trade will work. I think trend is on the downside. Even if it is a retracing, maybe it will retrace till 34,600 levels. I don't know what Ben is having his stop loss, where his stop loss is. If we take advice from him, we won't have any future. True, true. இது ஒரு ஃபிகர் காட்டுது அது ஒரு ஃபிகர் காட்டுது இல்ல டோட்டலாவே அவ்வளவுதானா டோட்டலாவே அவ்வளவுதான் ப்ராஃபிட் ஓ அப்படி காட்டுதா சரி 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 so I think majority of the people are just shorting the market. See, this is good. See, UV is having monthly 36,000 call in Bank Nifty 4 lot went from 2,210 to 80, but I'm not going to wait for it to turn to zero. Yeah, it's already gone below 80%, right? You can square off. Again, now, whatever we are doing now, this is just a beta version. Like I'm planning some other things also, some maybe some trade sharing platforms also I'm trying to do. But problem is I need some time to develop all these things. Once I'm done with that, this live session will be more interactive and more engaging. So that's what we are trying to do. All we need is just some time. We'll see. Shivam Prasad, Shivam Prasad is asking just to know what is your education. I did my BCom, then I did my MBA in finance. Anything else you want to know, Shivam? Is that okay? நல்ல வேலை அப்பயாவது பார்த்தீங்களா? Paper toner. Can be able to see payoff graph in next terminal once we add position. I don't think so. You can do that. So UV is planning to hold his bank nifty position. Okay. Thanks, Shibam. Now all I want to know is how to enhance this live session. See, I am talking for the whole live session is kind of awkward. I know you will get bored. We have to enhance this one. We have to bring something else also so that people watching this channel or people who are coming to live is getting benefited. That's what I want to do. So I just give me some ideas so that we can enhance this facility or we can enhance these things. So many people are reacting, many people are giving valuable feedbacks, how to do things, how not to do things. What is that Twitch? What is a Twitch, Ben? Yeah, I know uh, it's a video sharing platform. But what is the benefit of Twitch? Open time. Mohammed Bank Nifty Shushrat is saying Bank Nifty might give a small 100 points bounce to 34 650 700. Yeah, that's what I told. That's what we have done here. 34 600 around this level, this zone, 36 zone. So morning today, morning, sorry, yeah, maybe around 34,600 levels it will bounce back, but eventually it will come down. And Nifty also maybe it will go and see 16,000. Then it may come down. That's what I'm also thinking. Showing live entry and exit Mohammed Fakim. Hmm, good idea. We can have a Discord channel, bro. Yeah, yesterday also many people are saying to open a Discord channel. I'll look into the possibilities. Siddharth Singh, Twitch a streaming platform mostly for gamers, but people use it for showing other stuff. Nothing better than YouTube. Just donation are easy to receive. Okay. Paper Toner is saying just suggesting can we do expiry date trading live just to do it with small lot live. Maybe someone can follow and get benefited only on Thursday. Yeah, we'll do that. Abhilash BC is saying, hello, Mar, can you please make one video about intraday short straddle with VIX impact and option pricing? Yeah, we'll do that. Actually, when it comes to intraday, just since you have asked, I'll tell you that we have a webinar, free webinar. Like we have this one guy, I know Pandya, he's from Quantman. He is going to conduct the webinar. So we are charging around 200 rupees, but you will get back 300 rupees worth of this thing back testing. So he's going to talk about intraday straddles, strangle, non-directional strategies. So if you want, you can join. I think link is on the description. Power of selling. Your initiative is great. Keep go ahead. Thanks. We can create a channel on Discord. All fellow traders can join in there. You can stream, communicate. Also, others also can share and communicate that you can share on YouTube. Okay. UV Raj is saying which is same as YouTube, bro. Streaming platform. Not many traders use it. It's a gaming community. Yes. Abhilash. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty is retracing. Let us see if it is holding. It is going past 34,600 levels. Even if it goes above 34,600 maximum, it will go till maybe 34,750. What is happening now? It is retracing. Ah, my dear friends. So if you see here, I draw this line when around yesterday I draw that line. Today morning we draw this line. And see, there is a rejection exactly at 34,588. This is price action. And what about Nifty? See, exactly at our trend line, it is rejecting. Wow, that is great. and still US markets are kind of mixed. Backtesting, yeah, sometimes this Opstra, I'll tell you, Opstra is not that much reliable because of, what is that? As I told you, I've told this before also. I've told this before also. These people know whoever takes this option and all, they use delayed data. So when it comes to delayed data, if at all like it is not reliable as what we think. That's what I believe. Ben Future is asking what happened to this trade. We'll see. Yeah, virtual trade is in a minor slight profit. This is only one lot. This is only one lot. So it is in profit, and I'm sure it will be in profit only. Monday, I think if we open flat, it will be in excellent profit. Maybe around 3% profit. Hmm. We are seeing a rejection at around 34,600. Even if it crosses around more than 34,600, there is another resistance at around 34,700 levels. So good it has rejected here. And here look at our Nifty. It is rejecting at exactly at yesterday's open. Sorry, day before yesterday's close. So that region, that area was rejected yesterday also. So we'll wait and see if how things are going to span out. Sridhar, hi bro, good morning. Sorry for joining like late. As said by me yesterday, close of 15,900 and 34,650. Congratulations. Rejection. Kamal Films is saying rejection at Fibonacci retracement 0.26. So you see, many people are sharing many useful thoughts here. That's why I'm saying you join this live trading session. It is free only. Nobody is going to ask you anything, money. So whenever possible, you can join the live session. So Mr. Sridhar, how is your trade? I hope your trades are performing good. என்ன ஸ்டேட்டஸ் எல்லாமே. Abhilash is asking for back testing, which is good. You have only one option, no? Obstra. I don't think any other, there is no platform, or I don't know if there is any other famous platform. I think Opstra is more than enough. If you want to backtest, Molly Bar is saying sell at 15,9600. I'm using Opstra. You will saying Opstra, but it's working fine for now. Sometimes glitches will happen. Good. If you are making 1 lakh profit on each expiry, so 1 month you are making 100% return. So yearly, annually you are making 1,200% return or what? Oh my God! I think yeah, at this rate you will even you will surpass this guy, no, Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. Himanshu is saying it's misleading to see the P&L of Twitter traders. Yes, 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 yes. I am seeing Twitter for last few months that people are not even posting lakhs; they are gone to crores. I have seen days where people used to post in 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Then that came to 50,000, 1 lakh. Now they are posting in crores. Yesterday also we had a discussion in our group. 50 lakhs profit. Oh my God. I don't know. Maybe it is true or not. Tenet, why did US market did not crash on such big high inflation? It's scary. Any idea where we are headed this month and more? I really don't know, bro. Last 2 days I was expecting market will go down. Nothing has happened. Now it is all over the places. It is kind of retracing and everything is happening. I think markets will consolidate. Sridhar MR, I am enjoying your down to earth approach. Keep up the good work. I would love to join every day. Thanks. Thanks, Sridhar. Please. Personally, you be saying personally, I find option buying is not for everyone. I prefer option selling because I have Stop loss in mind. Option buyers usually don't take stop loss, right? It depends. I also see, if you see in the long run, option sellers are going to make money now because the market is moving up and down. It is moving violently. Maybe option sellers will buyers will make money, but in the long run, option buyers are going to make money. That's what I think. Ben's future. Uncle posted a HDFC trade on Twitter now. Let him post. Even I am, Sridhar is saying, even I am keen to know and learn how we can make such good profits by option buying, that too on a expiry day. Hmm. Mr. Bhaskar is saying, as per order block OI, now we buy signal. Hmm. Good, Sridhar. I think you have to take class to everyone how you are making so much, right? Like let you give us some insight, like what strategy you take, on what basis you take, so that everyone can understand, right? Yeah, Sridhar, one day, Sridhar, you have to come one day live. If you want, I can do it now itself. You can share us or tell us how you are making profit, right? I will tell you stock option like Siddhartha is saying. Stock option is not for these people, retailers. It is for HNIs and ultra HNIs only. You will find it very hard. It is very expensive to sell option first thing, and it is very expensive to buy also. Option buying anything is possible. One guy lost by buying 15,850 put in last week expiry. He had 308 lots and when he squared off, it was around 8 rupees. Yeah, you bought 34,600 P at 400,000. So I don't think you have any risk management, right? Here, you are having capital of 5 lakhs. You have already consumed 4 lakhs 80,000. So in case if the market reverses or like if market reverse, what would you have done? Even that too in Bank Nifty, even a small reversal, he will lose so much. I think this risk reward is not in favor. No, very high risk. Which expiry? Next expiry only. 21st expiry only would have bought. Yeah, option buying works, but in option buying, I'll tell you, option. I have seen many traders, like not only you, I have seen many traders who have lost huge amount in option selling. Sorry, option buying. It is very rare. I wouldn't suggest everyone to go for option buying. I have since as a content creator, I get so many calls that option buying. I have lost so much. I have lost this much. I got a call from one guy like he took a loan and he bought option and he like lost more than 50 lakhs. So option selling is very option buying is kind of risky and risk reward. I don't think it will work in our favor. Maybe it is a do or die thing. If you win, you will win. If you lose, you are going to lose. I think that's how things work. Like option selling, like I'll tell you, I can manage. I don't play intraday. Most of my trades are position, so I can play as long as I want. But option buying is something different. So you have to be 100 or 200% sure that your trades are working in your favor, right? Sridhar MR is saying, I don't see any of this month options 3, 4, 500 P made that high. I don't know. That only Sridhar has to answer. Sridhar, agree. Risk reward is very, very high. Vijay Reddy, Umar Anna, your opinion on FII's short position in index future? I think they are around, somebody told in the group it is around 83. Yeah, sure. Yeah, all they have they have been short in the market for a very, very long time. And they have been more than short for more than 50 or 60 or 70%. So that's what I've been telling in the video also. That's what is happening also. And going forward, they will keep on. They will have a higher return, higher what is that short ratio, short percentage. Still, this what is that fear of recession is over. Until this interest rate hike, until inflation goes below 2%, FIA, this Federal Reserve is not going to stop decreasing the interest rate. So for a long term, it is going to be like this. They are going to short the market heavily. And today also, I believe maybe after 2:30, this guys will short. Enough status. Ramesh Kumar, Sridhar, either you are one hell of trader which the market has ever seen, or an ultimate joker who gambles to swindle away the money. Option buying is mentally straightening. Your position shows losses slowly, profits go down slowly. Option selling is mentally stable. You can hedge. You can hedge in buying also. Yes. Ben's future. You better go to Las Vegas, bro. Why take so much risk on this market? Yes. Mr. Shivakumar is saying anyone wants a 16,059 today. Will it reach? It is not even able to cross 16,000. No. 16,059 levels. I think yesterday's high somewhere. Yesterday's high or low somewhere. Yeah. Kamal is asking, bro, in intraday, short straddle Nifty is easily to manage or bank Nifty. Better go with Nifty, bro. Bank Nifty will make violent moves. If you are having sufficient fund, you can go for this thing, no? Bank Nifty. If you are if you are not having sufficient fund, you can stick with Nifty. Uncle kept money in cryptocurrency, and he said after losing money, says I too, yeah, same boat and promised to video involved cryptocurrency. He is not going to do anything about Vault. I am sure. You mark my words. He is not going to talk a single word about Vault going forward. He is not going to post anything about Vault. All bullshit. He is just showing demo account and he is charging more than you forget. I don't want to talk about that. He is not going to talk about anything or vault. And I personally know many people called me lost so much money in cryptocurrency. This is insane. I don't know. Sridhar is saying option selling has always 60 to 70% success rate. Abhilash is saying, asking, can we do short straddle in stock options? Yeah, you can do. You do short straddle in ITC. Maybe you will make good money. Of course, that's a disclaimer, Abhilash. Huh? All we are seeing is rejection at 34,600 and Nifty rejecting this trend line. I think this trend line is having a forming as a strong support. Siddhartha is saying market will fall. After Sridhar told I don't see any of this month options at options 34 500 P made that high 400. I think how much is, let me check also. Viraj, but Mr. Sundar taught many of us how to trade option sellers, right? What he thought, deep in the money option made a high of 456, so there is no way that wouldn't reach 5. And what happened? Not only Walter, what happened to this 5 paisa? He promised FD return, FD as collateral, and that is gone. Nobody is talking about that. Mr. Trillion in the money 34,700 made a high of 456. So there is no way that 35,000 would be reached 550. Bank Nifty is just retracing after touching 34,500 levels. And Nifty is respecting the upper trend line. So whoever shorted the market is good. They would have made good money. Bro, I have 5 lakh capital and full-time trade. Please suggest me monthly position strategy. Kamal, I think you can join our mentorship program. There we are suggesting everything. Siddhartha is saying all is here. No status. Our class profit adjust பண்றது எல்லாம் ப்ராஃபிட்ல இருக்குங்க இதுல வேற உட்காந்துருக்கேன் நானு Nisha saying, hi Umar, could you please explain what market condition is ideal for initiating for OTM, Mindfly or straddles? Nisha is asking, hi Umar, could you please explain what market condition is ideal for initiating for OTM, Mindfly or straddles? Bro, your this thing question is confusing, bro. For OTM, Mindfly is done at the money, right? How we can do for OTM Mindfly, or am I missing something? Or straddle you can take. I am confused about for OTM Mindfly. Prasant is saying I took a straddle for this week expiry, sold 35,200 CE, 33,000, both are hedged to your view. It's a good trade, Prasant. You can continue that one. UV is saying, I think someone is after Mr. Sundar. Stop loss hunting. Some huge FII, maybe if you are famous, you have to deal with that also. Yeah, yeah. For expiry, einfly. Okay. Yeah, for expiry, einfly you can do, but maybe you just go for 1 month or 2 month away, right? July, maybe August, September you can do. That is best. Don't go beyond that one. Artha is asking, since you attended PRs in the workshop and now you are also conducting workshop, so we can say that we can get combo or you and Sundar in your workshop. By the way, Mr. Sundar is rated. Before attending Sundar workshop also, I conducted workshop. Uh, we are just attending this workshop just to see how things are like what they are just doing. Not only Sundar's workshop, I have attended many workshops. Till end of the room monitors. Look, also option sellers lose huge amount when market. Also option sellers lose huge amount when market falls if they have sold PE. But I suggest to sell C so that if there is any fall, they don't lose money. That's an option, but I'm not able to change myself. We don't lose money even if the market goes to zero. Option sellers, I'll tell you, even if the market goes to zero, option sellers don't lose money because we are having hedged position. Our loss is like kind of what, protected, right? That's what the SEBI also wants to do. They are saying that's why they are giving margin benefits if an option, if you are hedging position, rather you take this thing, what is that, unhedged position. Actually, I follow four YouTubers from trading. First will be global traders in morning to know the levels of market support and resistance in order to check myself correct or not, then PRs from the pre-market. Prabhakaran, hello sir. Hi Prabhakaran. There is a Sridhar Singh. There's a lot of buzz in world. You have to filter that what is actually good and what is not. I've learned everything from YouTube, so I know how to filter buzz. I don't watch any news channels or PR Sundar channel. If you want to be profitable, avoid them. Then evening PR post market report. Then our women's options and for stress buster, triple bulls for holding position. By any chance, long optionables will check the range. Good. Sidesh, how are you? I was expecting you. Yesterday we made around 50K profit, I think. Capital is very less, I think around 20K capital, 20 lakhs we used. Markets are likely going on the downside. I think today Bank Nifty will touch 34,400 levels, if I'm right. Siddharth Sidhu, can you please share the position that you have taken yesterday? I think it is already deleted. No, yesterday's video I showed. Yesterday's video, day before yesterday's video, I have showed that one. I cannot show my order book because it's really huge. Maybe you can check yesterday's video, I think. Yeah. Yesterday also, day before yesterday also I showed. Shivam Prasad is asking, is calendar spread better than straddle in this kind of market? Now, since India VIX is dropping, it is better to go for this thing, uh, straddles. See, the calendar will not give you profit if India VIX is dropping. And what we are seeing is, as of now, even India VIX has gone down by around 2%. So it's not advisable to take this thing now, calendar spread. Sridhar, I expected a huge fall in US market, but now come hope today we won't be trapped. Now, half an hour back, everything was in the red. Now it is all in the green. US markets are super volatile, too volatile to handle. I don't know how traders are managing there. Top trending videos, sir. Where can we trade all the options as Zerodha does not allow to buy sell most of the OTM to hedge? If you are selling option first, if you are selling option first and then buying options, Zerodha will allow you to do that. But like buying for OTM alone will they will not allow. So you can opt for other this thing. Maybe you can go for what is that? I think the Kotak is allowing, Zebu is allowing. We personally use this thing, many things, right? Three options. Fan is saying, do you use any other indicator? We don't use any other indicator. Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I will message you cyber sometime. I will, I will, and இவனுங்க வேற உயிரை வாங்குறாங்க போன ஆ? ம். அவன் என்ன அவன் so guys will okay. Riaz Mohammed is asking, Sai, can you show today's position at least? Yeah, I'll show. I have done simple straddles only, not big deal. So it's in, I think, in a decent profit. Where is that? My this thing. So if I go here, this is our strategy we took for YouTube just now today morning. Then if you see my trades, I have taken this trade. This is just a strangle, small strangle. If at all the market moves violently, I'll make some adjustment to this strategy, right? So I've just taken a single simple strangle. If market moves below this 15,900, I will try to make adjustment to those trades, right? And Riaz Mohammed, why is VIX falling? I think everything is factored in. That's why Bhaskar J book profit in buying PE as per order book. Why best? Best of luck, bro. Sridhar M is saying as an option. Sridhar M is thanks, sir. Which charting platform you trust the most? I use. I think TradingView is the best charting platform. This is saying Umar, when you attended phone reminds me of Vadivelu comedy. Thanks, thanks. Sridhar Yamu, hi Umar, what's your strategy on trade? I just shared my strategy, I think. If the market moves above 15,000, 16,000, you have to keep a stop loss in that, Hitesh. I think, yeah, that's the best thing you can do. Everything is down, I think. Europe is down. Every 5-10 minutes, everything is changing. This is very unreliable. That's why I think VIX is dropping. Yes, I think Indian retailers stop following India VIX, right? So much of volatility. I think after today, guys, I think after Europe opens, market may go to Bank Nifty may go to 15,000, 34,400 levels. And when it comes to Nifty, 15,800 is a very, very long term support. Let us see if that is holding or not. Even 16,000 call rating is happening. Not only 16,000 call, people are writing short straddles in 16,000. Siddesh, you want to take this position? Why you are asking position? Siddesh, you see, I am my risk appetite is very high. I will do lot of thing. I will go to many extent to take this trade. I will share you, but I wouldn't suggest anyone to do this strategies. Let me go to this thing. So this is the trade which I have taken. I have sold 15,700 put option, 16,200 call option, 16,600 call option, and 15,300 put option. This 15,300 and 16,600 is a hedge, and 15,700 and 16,200 call is a main trade. So I'll just leave it for another 2 or 3 minutes. You just see. How do I interpret as a short straddle? I am new to beginner. You sell at the money call option and at the money put option. That's called a short straddle. No big deal. Prabhuchina, hi Umar, I entered 34,700 short straddle in the morning. Can I hold or exit currently in cost to cost? You can hold, I think, bro. Still, market is Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty. Yeah, you can hold. Now it is reverting. No, probably you will be in profit. I think it will retest this 34, 600, 700 levels. Not for today, at least. So you can exit your position if at all market goes below maybe today's low, 34,500. So that's a disclaimer, right? Share just for my info. Okay, bro. No problem. You asked me. Abhinaya. Hi. Hi, Abhinaya. This. Bro, support we sold Siddhartha Singh. Support we sold a strangle and then shifted our call position to make it iron fly since market fell. If market falls more, should we shift the C position in the money to balance sold P? Yeah, you can do that also. We sold a strangle. So Siddhartha Singh is asking, he did a strangle. Then since the market is going on the downside, he booked a profit in his call option and he has sold somewhere maybe 200 or 300 strikes away another call option. So making it as an iron fly. So what you have to do is you have to shift those hedges also. You just try to shift. I'm sure you would have not shifted that hedges, right? Or you are just without strangle, you are just selling strangle. I am not sure. So if you have shifted to iron fly, you have shifted a strangle to iron fly. Maybe if the market is still moving on the downside, try to do one more iron fly. See if it is working for you. We had some session where people were trying to do another iron fly. So if you just try doing one more iron fly, see if it is working in your favor. That's what I can say. Don't go for in the money. It is very risky. That's what I can say. See, despite how futures falling, Nifty is going up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Why it is going up? And India's VIX is also falling. Siddesh Sidhu, can you share the same in broker website just to see the profit? Broker website, I'm not using individual. I have many. I use a dealer terminal, bro. I cannot segregate and show that things. So this is what we have done here. Sridhar M is asking, hi Umar, do you think Bank Nifty will take a support at 34,550 and move higher because that is the first support level? Yeah, I that's what I also think. Let's see. Sridhar M, you are not trading Bank Nifty. I think we can sell 36,300, right? Yeah, you can do. Vijendra Guman, I think there is a global operator active in Indian market. He manipulates global futures to benefit his position in India. Uh, Hitesh, I think I cannot show you because I have already entered in dealer terminal. Maybe some other time I'll show. Somehow. If you want confident, you join this our premium content. You will get more confident there. Okay, guys, I'll end this session here today because today is Friday. I have to go for prayer, and I also have some works in. So see you all on Monday. In the meantime, I'll post some videos tomorrow also. Take care. Bye.